Hi guys, welcome to Upzeda. In this one, I'll show you how to create a Markdown blog in Sveltekit. Now the first thing we do is, install Sveltekit. We have done this multiple times, npm init. Before that, I may have to use node 16 in this case. Npm init svelte at next. That would install the files in this directory on the left side. Yep. I'll install the dependencies using this command npm i. Okay. Now we are creating this blog using something called MDSVEX. It's a Markdown processor. It supports Svelte components as well. So let's install that. The way to install that is using npx svelte add. So this is a nice little feature at latest. So latest is needed now because there were some issues. In the future you may not need this. mdsux. Okay. So mdsux is this nice thing which does all the setup for us, but we'll still have to install the dependencies using npm install. Okay, once that is done, we can serve the file npm run dev, and we'll see what's there. Okay, it works. So that's all for this one. In the next one, I'll show you how to use Markdown in our Sveltekit app.